Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. Say hello to the latest addition to the Samsung Galaxy lineup, the Galaxy S25 series. Let's dive right in, shall we? First up, we have the standard Galaxy S25, sporting a gorgeous 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic mold display. This beauty boasts a stunning resolution of 20,340 x 1080, shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for maximum durability. For all you selfie lovers, the Galaxy S25 has a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. And when it comes to capturing those precious moments, you'll be blown away by the 50-megapixel primary camera, accompanied by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Under the hood, this powerhouse will be powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or the Exynos 2500, ensuring smooth performance no matter the task. Plus, with 8 gigs of RAM and storage options ranging from 128 gigs to 256 gigs, you'll have all the space you need. And let's talk battery life. With a robust 4000 mAh battery and support for 25-watt fast charging, Galaxy S25 will keep up with you all day long. And with 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7, you'll always stay connected. Keep an eye out for its release in January 2025 with an estimated price starting at $800. But wait, there's more. Introducing the Galaxy S25 Plus, the bigger and bolder sibling of the standard S25. Next in line is the Galaxy S25 Plus, boasting a larger 6.7-inch display with Quad HD Plus resolution. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminum 2.0, this device is built to last. And when it comes to capturing photos and videos, the Galaxy S25 Plus doesn't disappoint. With a 50-megapixel primary lens, 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 10-megapixel telephoto lens, capturing stunning photos is a breeze. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or the Exynos 2500 with a hopping 12 gigs of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 gigs to 512 gigs, the Galaxy S25 Plus is a true power. You'll never have to slow down. So there you have it, folks, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with smartphone technology. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you that while we strive for accuracy, sometimes mistakes happen. So if you notice any errors or missing information, please let us know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us improve. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel for more awesome content, and ring that bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.